Bang-yang. I put some of my bang-yang in my bang-yang and my buns. My name is Ish. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Whoa. Things you need. Got to be beeswax, blow dryer, some pieces. Ain't gotta be that many pieces, but you know, pieces. And a comb and a brush. Let's get straight into the day. Alright, so first, so if you like me and you have like a rap, you know, like Zuby, you know how you back in the day you do the Zuby. When Rihanna had the Zuby and she was rocking it with the bobby hands, and he was like, Rihanna, what are you doing, girl? But you Rihanna, so you can do whatever you want to do. Yeah, one of those. So I'm leaving out my bangs because forehead on fleek. And you can put it up if you want, but I think I want to maintain my little situation here, and then work around it. So you see me looking past you, I'm looking in the mirror. Brush it up. I'm just going from how I've seen people do it. Oh, the brush is combing it up. Yeah, she use a brush, but pushing it up. Don't be like me, y'all. Brush it up. Get your blow dryer.
Can you flip it like I flip a half an ounce to a pound? Bring a friend too, I know you're better looking, but she down. I'ma hit it out the stadium when you get on the mount.
With this is that I'm not sure if it's supposed to be on high heat, low heat, due to the fact that when I put my wigs on, I put it on this is why it's acting like that. When I put my wigs on, I put it on cool, and that helps it. Ooh. Dang, this thing was like so caked up and had like, that's why I was shooting like things. Then you got clean your cattle. Now we cooking with grease. All right. Take your comb so you can comb through here. I know you're supposed to do piece by piece, but it's just not doing that. As you want, no? Over there. Put it up here. Perfect. See the back. I can see the back. I can see the back. Remember ponytails back in high school? The girls I had barely making it. You take your extra hairs, right? I have curly hair, and then I have straight hair. I think it makes sense to use straight hair. If you put it down right, like the way I want it. Since I have a small piece, I'm not gonna like do too much. I'm gonna take this piece, bend it, take a bobby pin, put it at the end. Cause you already know what we got, right? So put it at the end. The back part of the track. So, bobby pin at the end. Stick that bobby pin in your bun. Whatever you want in your bun. Wrap her around. I'm only putting one bobby pin because anybody got time for bobby pin sticking in the head all day. So one bobby pin in the beginning, and then I'll work my way around that. Okay. I was gonna put a pony, but I think I'm gonna put a bun. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Take your time, because you don't want to put your you don't want to put your bang in the bun. Okay, so this is the end of the end of the road, end of the track. Put one more bobby pin. Till I can't let go. So not true. I look mad weak. So I think I'm gonna do a bun. Yes. You do you a messy bun, honey. Honey. You do you a messy bun, honey. And right now you can put another bobby pin if you like. I will. Because I catch me slipping. This is cute. Or whatever cute holiday here. Too confusing. Many things you like. I should have like one more pin right here. I should have been prepared. Just for that. This is cute or whatever. And then you have your bangs. You got to do your baby hauls. Go to the bubble house. They be getting a little cakey. I ain't gonna lie, they a little cakey, but it be holding down a bubble house. You do your baby hairs how you wanna do yours. I do mine how I wanna do mine. You heard me? You heard? If you put it down right, like the way I want it. I think this is some cute holiday here. You know, cute living room fit. Cause you ain't going nowhere. You know, you gonna bae in the living room and the family. Some cute holiday hairs. Y'all getting dressed up for the living room? I'm gonna waste my time for Thanksgiving to get dressed up. Just take me as I am. Or take nothing at all. Nothing at all. I do these baby hairs too, but nobody really seen them. But since we want to stay on a cord, I use the leftover. Argan Oil. Put it in the back. I don't know what's going on the part in the back, but I feel like I need some shine. So you take the rest and put it up here. I think it's going to explain me. Should probably put some more up in the bun. Okay, I had to come back because I had to show you that I put some of my so I think it looked a little better because all I did was pin it up and wrap it around a little one thing. But so I was making my bang yang. So that's why it's good to do both your baby hairs, because you never know, you might not want all that bang yang. But I needed some bang yang because I got a full hair yang. Full hair yang. Big forehead gang. Yeah. So, alright, this is really the end now. Yeah, what's up?